Hi guys, today in this video we will set up VS Code for C or C++. So first of all we have to download MingGW, which is a compiler of C or C++. So we will download it from here. You can go and click on this download button. I have already downloaded and it's here. So after downloading, double click and then click install. Then continue. It's going to download some file. Then click continue. And then for C or C++ we need to mark this one, mark for installation. Right click and then select mark for installation. Mark for installation and then we will take GCC. These four we need for C or C++. If you want to run Fortran, then you can install this one as well. If you want to run ADA, then you can install this one as well. If you are using Objective-C, then you need to install this one. So for us these four are enough. We will go in installation and then click apply changes. Then select apply and it's going to download file again from the web. Now the download has been completed and it's installing the file. Now the installation has been completed. Now we will close this dialog and this dialog window as well. Now we will close this and we will go and download VS Code. For VS Code you need to write VS Code download, and from this website code.visual studio. From this website you can download it from your platform. If you are Windows, then download this one. If Linux, then download here, and then if Mac, download here. So this is it. I have already downloaded VS Code and installed on my system, so I will just open it. So here our VS Code, and inside here first of all we need to add MingGW in our environment variable. So close VS Code and then go to this PC, C drive, and then you will find MingGW and then bin. Inside bin we are going to copy the path, and then we will go this PC, right click and take option. We will go to property and then advanced system setting, and inside here we will have environment variable. In system variable we are going to look for path, which is here. We will edit and then we will click on new and then paste MingGW path, then OK, and then OK, then close this window. Now we are going to open VS Code. In VS Code we are going to install a few extensions. So first one is C/C++ IntelliSense, which is here, this one. I will click install and wait till it installed. It's installed, and then we are going to install code runner. Click install and here we go. Now we will go in file and close this one, and we will create a file demo.c, and in demo.c we are going to write a simple C program. Now we are going to run this using this button here, and here's our output, hello world. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next one.